I made a light intensity measurement project on Tinkercad, and today we are going to discuss about that. I've used an Arduino, a breadboard, a photodiode resistor or LDR, a LED, a voltmeter, an oscilloscope to show waves, a potentiometer, and an LCD display to show intensity. Nowadays, LDR is used in home and workspaces where photodiode is used to measure the light, and accordingly the code is given through which the light changes itself. Now let's get into the connections. First of all, we have to connect the 5 volt source to positive terminal and negative terminal is connected to the ground source. Now terminal 1 of LDR, which is resistor, is connected to ground as well as to analog input, and terminal 2 is connected to 5 voltage. Cathode of LED is connected to a resistor, which in case is connected to the ground, whereas anode is connected to output of Arduino at pin mode 5. Voltmeter and oscilloscope have each of their negative connected to ground and positive connected to output of Arduino at pin mode 5. Now here we have connected LCD of 16 by 2. Anode of LCD is connected by a resistor to 5 voltage and cathode to ground. Then I have used pins from 8 to 13 to manage our LCD. I have also used a potentiometer to control the contrast of the LCD display. The principle of this project is when the light is shown to this photodiode resistor, it absorbs the photons and it sends the signal to this analog input, then some output is produced and it is shown in the LCD display. Time to get into the code of our project. First we have include the library crystal.h, which will help us run LCD. Sensor value is nothing but LDR, which is set to 0. We have written this line of code to declare our LCD. Now comes the setup part. Pin mode anode, which is LDR as it is connected to anode, is considered as input. Serial.begin is to initiate the serial monitor. Pin mode 5 is considered as output, which is LED, multimeter and oscilloscope. LCD.begin is to initiate the LCD. Coming to the loop, we get the sensor value from LDR by using a command called analog read, and we print the sensor value in serial monitor. Now in order to get the values in multimeter, this is the command. Here starts the LCD code. We first clear the LCD, set cursor to 0, 0, print intensity, reset cursor to 11, 0 and print the sensor value in LCD, and this output will be shown after 100 milliseconds. Now let's see the simulation of our code. As you can see, the intensity is shown here, and as we change the brightness or the photons that are absorbed, you can clearly see the intensity is changing, the voltage is changing, and the waves are becoming broader and broader. And the interesting thing is the LED bulbs start to brighten. See how amazing it is. So now it's time to copy our code to the Arduino. Let's copy our code to Arduino and check whether if there are any error or not. Now let's check whether our code is working or not. Let's compile. The compilation is successful, so this piece of code is ready to go to any Arduino and it will work fine. Hope you like the video.